What's up, guys? Today we're out here, Jordan Branch Road, and we're volunteering with the ATV Trail Association, Shelburne ATV Trail Association. What are we doing? We're repurposing this old sign for the new parking area for the ATV trail that is opening up, coming through town. So right now, if you're coming from Bridgewater direction out of town, you'd be coming from right there, and then you go down this trail not far, half a kilometer, and then you turn up a road this way and you get on the main road, and that's where you go right through town to get bypass Shelburne. Or if you're trailering, you trailer right here to Jordan Branch Road, hit the trail, park here, hit the trail. There'll be some information here. Obviously this is the old information that was on the sign before it was donated. We're going to level the ground. We're going to take that 6x6 off, replace it, put it back together, jack up the other side, take that 6x6 off, replace it, put it back together. I ain't took no measurements or whatever, checked it with a level or nothing, but it looks like we're getting close to where we want to be. Looks pretty good. Let's see if we can wrestle this thing around. I think this side got to go up a little bit. Yeah, they go up about a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch. And we're going to leave it like that for now because I'm going to jack up that side and bolt on a new piece. Let's build one. All right, we just done a shit ton of raking. That ground was hard. I did have a pickaxe to bring it loose. Anyway, we got her looking pretty good. I'm gonna replace that one now. All right, we got this one all freed up. Let's see if we can get her out. Yeah, buddy. Feet were sweating. I got my proper work shoes on now. Safety first. Get that lifted up there. Just gotta give it a little nudge in, hopefully. The battery died. Don't know how much we got, but we got her in there. Now I just gotta haul those out, drill some holes. Okay, we got those bolts put in. we go. We're ready for some paint. All right, we got 2 coats on this side. Still bleeding through a bit, but that's what she's getting. It's gonna have some signs on it anyway. Just got 1 coat on this side, looks pretty good. Now we're gonna touch up the mess we made and paint this bare wood with the brown. Gonna be looking good here shortly. And we got the roof to do over there too. Well, there we go. It's hard to see now because it's dark. Let's take a look at it in the day. And just like that, it's daytime. Gotta love movie magic. Daytime, I see a spot I missed. So we'll take care of that in a minute. Overall though, looking good, wow. We ran out of daylight last night, but we threw a little bit of stain on this roof just to see how it was going to look. Planning on just doing the shingles brown and all the frame in white. She's done. Looking pretty good for an old piece of crap when it got here. Added some patio stones under the feet of this guy. Keep it from rotting so quick. Looks brand new. All we got left is I gotta round up a couple volunteers to help me lift that bad boy. Probably need about at least 4, maybe 6 guys. Let's do it. There we go. Get the boys to come out and give us a hand. And we got the roof lifted on. Got some signs coming soon for it. Basically just a map saying, showing the route through Shelburne, and maybe a sign, the name of the trail, Jordan Branch T-Rail, I think it's called. So yeah, we got this pile of gravel here dropped off. I just came up to level it out some. We're gonna build it up around this a little bit so the rain don't wash it out. Throw a little bit in there, level it out some, and I'm gonna move some over here along the edge of this road, because that's like a 5-inch drop or something off of there. Let's do it. Ooh, that is not easy work. Looking good though. Hell yeah. Ought to make for a little better transition when you're hauling in here. Now we got to take care of this pile. Take and throw some of these big rocks up there for a base. All right, that's it. The raking's done. I just added a little bit of rock and gravel around this end, hoping that the rain don't wash it out. I live nearby. I'm going to keep an eye on it. If it washes out, I guess we'll have to add more rock stuff here. Added a little gravel in there. Level it out when you walk in here. Maybe you want to read the sign. I don't know. Depends on what's there once it's done, I guess. But yeah, I left a little hole over there so the rain could wash out. I don't figure anybody will be walking around into here. This side will be more or less just a sign when you drive by. From down there you'll be able to read it. We got all them bushes and stuff there, so figured I'd leave that low and let the water drain there, hopefully. Prevent a washout maybe. So there's the trail from town. Town's right up there. Added some shoulder there so when you pull in you don't feel like you're dropping off a cliff. And we got a garbage box down here. Alright, town of Shelburne will soon be open for ATVs to pass through town. You'll be going right on the street. 1511 Jordan Branch Road. Good place to park for hitting up trails in Shelburne. Not that there's many, but it's a work in progress. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. They call me a god.